Hi, my name is Burke, and today I will be teaching you how to play chess. So, you ever wonder what the benefits of chess are? To quote Blaise Pascal, chess is the gymnasium of the mind, meaning that chess is like a weight room for the brain and can be used to develop your mind and cognitive function. So today I'll be teaching you how to play the game of chess online, which is very similar to in-person, but with a few key differences on what site to play on and some fixed mechanics. This is the main site that people play on, chess.com, and there's also Linux, which is a popular other site. So I personally have had this online chess account for 3 years and I've played chess my whole life, like on a real board. I've climbed up the rankings to become one of the top 0.01% of players, so you could say I know a thing or two. Anyone can learn chess and have the ability to use chess as an outlet to gain cognitive benefits and problem-solving skills. So now that you know what you will be learning about, let's move on to the basics, how the pieces move. The first thing you'll need to know in the game of chess is the turn order and how the pieces move. So the white pieces start first, as you can see here, and if we go over to the site, I can show you how each piece moves. So the pawn moves up and down, and it can move 2 spaces on the first move and then 1 after the rest. Next, the rook. The rook moves side to side and up and down on the game board. And the knight right here is the little horse guy. He can move in a jumping pattern, so he goes up 3 over 1 in any direction. And the bishop moves diagonally, like this, as you can see. Next, we have the queen. So the queen, it can move up and down and side to side, just like a bishop and a rook mixed. And then you have the king. So the king can just move 1 space all around the board. Now that you know how each piece moves, we can go on to how to take a piece. So taking a piece in this game is like, for any other piece besides the knight or pawn, is if it's in the line of fire, you can take the piece. But for the pawn, it's different. It can only be taken diagonally on each direction. And for the knight, you can't take it in the line of fire. You have to jump and smash it. So now that you know how to take a piece, let's move on to how to check, how checking works. So if we go over here to this little page, we have this bishop here, and if he moves here, the king is in check because it is in the line of fire of the bishop right now. And there's a few ways to block the check. So the king can move up, obviously. It can move a piece to block it, or there could be a piece that takes the bishop. So now that you've finally learned the basics of chess and are ready to start your first game, so using the movement of the pieces, how to capture opponent's pieces, and how to win the game, I'd say you have pretty good odds for your first match. And remember, chess is like the weight room for your brain. It helps train the mind and become more developed. So take what you know now, get out there, and start your chess journey with your first game. Thank you.